Hey guys, we're Nick and Sarah, and we're super excited to bring you another fabulous video that is sponsored by Lowe's Home Improvement. We are organizing this garage. Before we show you our newly organized garage, we want to walk you through the steps that we took so that you can organize your own garage.
When you live a fast-paced life like Sarah and I, it helps if things are organized. Now I know people have their own systems and some things work for other people and don't for others, but I ended up with like 27 tape measures because I can never find my tape measure.
Hey Nick, what is the definition of being organized?
I know this. You should be able to find whatever it is you're looking for within 30 seconds.
30 seconds, good job, babe. I'm so proud of you. Okay, so Nick, I need a Phillips head screwdriver right now. 30, 29, 28. We're so far.
Right?
If you're feeling overwhelmed with designing and organizing a space like a garage, it's actually a pretty easy process. And step number one is?
Deciding.
I
know you like a discard pile,
right?
A donate pile, and a keep pile.
That's right. And you can move on to step two. Step two in the organizing and design process is to categorize everything that you decided to keep.
Yeah, a good rule of thumbs is put like items with like items. For example, I have my drywall hanging tools in one bin and my drywall finishing tools in another. So one important thing to remember when you're working in small spaces or garages when you need to park your vehicle is use the vertical. You want to build up. Step three is zoning. Kind of think of it like everything has its own zip code.
We have the zip code of like office space stuff. And then not too far, the neighboring area is the hardware.
Oh yeah.
And then we have housewares, garden stuff, and then behind us is actually our most important zone, which is our work zone, like when we go to do jobs off-site, right?
Yep.
So you do a lot of drywall work and a lot of painting work.
And a lot of this is organized strategically to take and go. So we can throw it in the back of the truck, and then when we're done, we can throw it back on the shelf.
Yeah, less packing, less time wasted. And these guys, I'm obsessed with these. Yes, they can totally carry your tools, but you know what I use them for? I do a lot of professional organizing for clients and also real estate staging. So this guy is like my savior. Up here I've got furniture pads, measuring tape, paper clips, business cards, picture hangers. This guy holds my drill because I hang a lot of artwork. Down here I've got my label maker, furniture movers. So this has been my pack and play whenever I've got a client. I know Nick uses his for handyman work. My sister actually asked me for a really good organizing solution for when she goes camping. And the cool thing is if she only needs like the top stuff because she's only going fishing, she could use this. If she's gonna go camping the whole thing, she can take the whole thing. It's really versatile. It's an awesome way to get organized in your garage. So not only do we organize this garage to house all of our things, but we also need to use this as a workspace, an office. Right now we're just going from job to job. I'm using all of my hotspots, so it's gonna be so nice to be able to come to the garage, have our laptops, have all of our design stuff, bring clients here, and just focus and create and do good work. As amazing as this space is, as much as we did, we still have one more project left to do.
Hey Sarah, I got you this Chamberlain Smart Garage Door Opener. It's going in.
I think you know what project we're doing next month.
We want to thank Lowe's Home Improvement for sponsoring this video, and for other how-to Lowe's videos, check out their YouTube channel. Also, if you want to get organized like us, all of our product information is in the links below.
If you want to follow our daily shenanigans, we're over on Instagram at Nestrs, that's Nestrs. acting like fools. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time.
See ya.